How do you download and offline a song in the iPhone with the Documents app? So let me guide you through it and show you how it kind of works. And if it's your first time on Foxtecc, you can consider subscribing for more tutorials and videos like this one. So there's this app which is called Documents. And this is what it looks like. You can find it on the App Store. And what's cool about this app is that it also has a web browser integrated into it. So when I open it up as such, not only do I get access to like locally stored files and whatnot, but I can literally just go to the web browser, which is built in to the files app, right? And now I can do whatever I really want, right? So for example, I can go to my Google Drive where I might have some personally stored songs or documents right there, right? So perhaps I created a song myself which I like, and I have it stored as my own file in the Google Drive. And the point is that I can basically just go in here and find it, locate it, and then click on the options to just save it, right? And since it behaves like a file browser, which has also the web browser built into it, the things which I save from the web will be saved inside of the files right there. So when I click on a download, it will be downloaded as such. I can always just return to my files, and it's likely going to be somewhere in here. Depends on where you, of course, store it, but the newly added files downloaded through the browser should appear right here. So that is generally how it works. Of course, you can also download some like different stuff in it there as well, like pictures and videos or whatever you have access to, but this is the general blueprint behind it. Let me know what you think below, subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you later.